Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, a channel for awesome facts and information. In today's video, we will be talking about the pros and cons of solar energy. Watch this video till the end for a better understanding and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're considering installing a solar panel system, it's important to consider the benefits and drawbacks of going solar. Solar is a revolutionary energy solution for property owners of any type, but like any energy decision, choosing to go solar has various advantages and disadvantages you should keep in mind. Of all the common benefits and drawbacks that come with going solar, here are a few of the ones that consistently rise to the top. The main advantages of solar energy are that it helps you lower your electric bill, raise your home value, reduce your carbon footprint, combat rising electricity costs, and earn money back on your investment. On the other hand, the key disadvantages of solar energy include that it doesn't work for every roof, it's not ideal if you're about to move, the upfront cost can be expensive, savings can be low if your electricity bills are low, and finding a local installer can be difficult. Pros of solar energy. Here is our list of the top 7 most important advantages of solar energy to keep in mind. Number 1. Solar can drastically reduce or eliminate your electric bills. This top benefit of solar panels is pretty straightforward. When you install solar power for your home, you generate your own electricity, become less reliant on your electric utility, and reduce your monthly electric bill. A solar panel system typically has a 25 to 35-year lifespan, which means that you can cut your electricity costs for decades to come by going solar. Additionally, the cost of solar has decreased by more than 70% in the past decade. The cost of electricity has risen by about 5%, and that trend in rising electric cost is expected to continue. Going solar can help you gain control in the face of these rising costs. Number 2. Solar improves the value of your home. Millions of US homeowners are interested in solar panels but haven't taken the time to figure out what it takes to install them. This consumer reality and the undeniable benefits of having solar panels on a home complements recent studies that found property values increase after solar is installed. Thus, the second pro of solar can help to level out one of the cons that we discussed earlier. Even if you're planning on moving in the near future, you'll earn back your solar panel investment and then some when you sell your home. Number 3. Solar reduces carbon emissions. Solar is a clean, renewable source of energy that can help reduce carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gas emissions and lower our impact on the natural environment. Unlike traditional fossil fuels like coal and oil, solar energy does not lead directly to pollutants being released into the atmosphere and water supply. Even compared to nuclear energy, solar comes out on top in terms of being a more environmentally friendly solution. Number 4. Solar can pay you money while you're earning back your investment. Due to a number of awesome solar incentives in the US, solar panels can actually turn you a profit in addition to generating bill savings that pay off the cost of the system. Solar renewable energy credits and net metering are 2 key advantages of solar energy that allow you to earn bill credits as your solar panel system produces electricity. In these scenarios, you are being compensated for the electricity that your solar panels generate. If you live in a state where either of these incentives apply, you can expect both immediate and long-term returns from your solar investment. Number 5. Solar is the most versatile form of alternative energy. Unlike other types of alternative energy like wind energy, which needs wide open spaces with ample wind changes, and hydroelectric power, which needs a large water source, solar energy can be used in essentially every environment. This makes solar energy the versatile form of clean alternative energy. While output is lower on cloudy days or in climates without as much regular sun exposure, solar panels are always working. No matter where you live, solar energy is a great investment. Number 6. Solar electricity can be sold back to the grid. Depending on where you live, you could be eligible for net metering. Net metering is an electric billing tool that uses the electric grid to store excess energy produced by your solar panel system. Under net metering, energy your solar panels produce and you don't use is credited back to you. This means that you could potentially receive a credit toward your bill for unused energy and essentially sell solar energy back to the electric grid. Cons of solar energy. Solar isn't perfect. Here are 5 disadvantages of solar energy to keep in mind when considering panels. Number 1. Solar panels don't work for every type of roof. Rooftop solar panels are installed by connecting a mounting system to your roof. Certain roofing materials used in older or historical homes, such as slate or cedar tiles, can be difficult for solar installers to work with, throwing up a roadblock for solar power. Additionally, many homes and apartment buildings have skylights or other rooftop additions like roof decks that can make the solar installation process difficult or costly. In the long run, however, this shouldn't be a barrier to the mass adoption of solar power in the US. If your home doesn't qualify for a rooftop solar installation, you still have options. Ground-mounted solar panels or buying a share in a community solar garden can get you around this disadvantage of solar energy. Number 2. Solar isn't ideal if you're about to move. Solar is a great financial investment, but it can take some time to reach the break-even point so often heralded by industry sales reps. The average solar panel payback period in the US is around 7.5 years. For a young homeowner who may be moving in the coming years, putting solar panels on his or her roof might feel like an unworthy investment. But solar can actually improve your property value and thus increase your return when you do sell your home. So as long as you plan to buy your system with a cash purchase or loan, this disadvantage of solar energy can be easily avoided. Number 3. If your electricity costs are low, so are your solar savings. The ultimate benefit of solar energy is that it will reduce your use of utility-provided electricity and save you money every month as a result. However, that condition assumes a homeowner has sizable electric bills to begin with. For a homeowner in a state like Louisiana where the cost of electricity is 25% lower than the national average, installing a solar panel system isn't nearly as attractive as it is to a Hawaii homeowner who pays more than double the average electric rate. Number 4. If you can't access solar financing, upfront solar costs can be intimidating. There's a nationwide debate going on about how much homeowners have to pay out of pocket for solar. The total out-of-pocket price tag for a solar panel system depends on tax credits, rebates, and the financing option you choose. Though you can easily get a figure for the average cost of solar in your state or even a personalized estimate for your home, the simple answer is that the upfront cost of solar is sizable if you don't qualify for a zero-down solar loan. The disadvantage of solar energy here is clear: not everyone has the cash on hand to make an investment of this size with an upfront payment. That being said, there are a number of solar financing options to help you get around this solar con, such as state-backed loan programs, leases and power purchase agreements. Number 5. Finding quality, local solar installers and easily comparing quotes can be difficult. There's a common association that many homeowners have with solar. It has to do with pushy door-to-door solar sales reps that pressure consumers to sign a 20-year solar contract before they explain the full scope of the offer or the credibility of the solar company. Solar is one of the fastest-growing markets in the world, and there are plenty of companies that are deploying aggressive sales tactics to get their fair share of the market. As a result, for many people, shopping for solar can be a stressful and confusing scenario. This is our list of the pros and cons of solar energy. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe for more informative videos and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching.